Your immune system is one of the most fascinating and hard-working systems in your body, constantly protecting you from viruses, bacteria, and other harmful invaders. The defense begins with your body's barriers, often called the first line of defense. Your skin acts like a shield that prevents germs from entering. Tiny hairs and sticky mucus in your nose trap microbes, and strong stomach acid kills many of the ones that manage to sneak in through food or drink. But if germs do get past those barriers, the innate immune system responds quickly. White blood cells such as neutrophils and macrophages rush to the site of infection and literally swallow up the invaders in a process called phagocytosis. During this battle, they release chemical signals known as cytokines that create inflammation of redness, swelling, and heat you feel when you have an infection. This is the body's built-in alarm system, calling more immune cells to the fight. If the infection persists, the adaptive immune system joins in, and this part is far more specialized. Helper T cells act like commanders, sending instructions to other immune cells. Killer T cells then hunt down and destroy your body's own cells that have already been infected, stopping the germs from spreading. Meanwhile, B cells start producing antibodies. Proteins are precisely designed to recognize and attach to specific germs, almost like custom-made weapons. These antibodies mark the invaders so other cells can destroy them more easily, and some antibodies even block the germ from entering your cells in the first place. What makes the immune system so powerful is its memory. Once you have fought off an infection, your body keeps memory cells that remember how to defeat that exact germ. The next time it appears, the response is much faster and stronger, often preventing you from even getting sick. This is the same principle behind vaccines, which safely expose your immune system to a harmless version or a small piece of a germ so that your body learns to recognize it without you actually becoming ill. In essence, every time you fight off a cold, a sore throat, or even recover from a cut on your skin, your immune system has waged an invisible war on your behalf, combining speed, intelligence, and memory in a way that scientists are still trying to fully understand. It's not perfect, but without it, even the smallest infection could be life-threatening. So the next time you sneeze or feel a fever coming on, remember, it's your immune system at work, battling behind the scenes to keep you alive and well. Thank you.